I bet you're up there right now, making plans and writing out all your favorite places that you just can't wait to take us, and we'll get to spend forever talking about whatever. When I get there, promise you'll track me down and show me around. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you guys how to play this song that was requested. It's by Carly Pearce. This is Show Me Around. I'd never heard it, but it's a great song. So if you guys have other song requests, please let me know in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as I can, okay? So this song, you're going to put a capo on the 2nd fret. It's in standard tuning. You're only going to use 4 chords. I'm going to tell you what those are, and you're only going to need 1 strumming pattern. You are going to palm mute though. So before I go into that, please hit like so that more people will see this video, and please hit subscribe so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And if you have a comment, even if it's just something like, hey, great lesson, please put it in there, okay? If you hit like and you comment, then YouTube serves it up to more people. So please do that, all right? Please help my channel grow. So the only chords you're gonna need, let me look at my notes, okay? The only chords you're gonna need, you're gonna do G, okay? You're gonna do D, you're gonna do A, and B minor. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you strum it. So you're going to start with, I'm going to show you where to do the chords and everything, okay? So make sure you watch the whole thing because I'm going to show you the bridge and everything later. Because the chord, even though you only use 4 chords, they change, the chord progression changes throughout. So you'll start with G, D, G, D. Okay, so you just do G, D, G, D with no lyrics. Then you're going to go into it. So you're just doing down, 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 down. Okay, just down, down, down. And you're palm muting. If you don't know what that is, that's when you put this part of your hand as close as you can to that white bridge right there, okay? So you can put it like, you're going to do this. Okay, just that palm muting. So you put it as close as you can to that, and then it makes that cool sound. If you do it higher, then it doesn't sound good, okay? So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna do G, D, G, D, and then you're gonna go to the first verse. You're gonna start with G, so you're gonna start with that same G, D, G, D, but it goes into a lot of variations. So you do, I heard you got a brand new place. Okay, so place is where you do D. All right, so you start with G. I heard you got a brand new place. Place is D, place, okay? And then G again. Feels like is where you're gonna do G. Like at least 1,000,000 miles is D. Miles away. Okay, away, like halfway through away, you're gonna do the A chord, away. I hope, okay, then you do I hope is G. I hope I get to meet you there. Okay, there is B minor. There someday. Okay, someday is A, day. And we'll pick, okay, so then you do, we'll pick back up. Pick, you're gonna do G, and you're just gonna keep doing it for the rest of the verse, okay? We'll pick back up like no time passed. Yeah, I pray it happens like that. And I would do that, okay? I bet you're up. So then you're gonna do the same strumming pattern. The chord progression is different, but you're gonna do the same strumming pattern for the chorus, okay? So you're gonna do, but you're just not gonna have it palm muted, okay? So open like this. You start with D, so you're gonna do D. I bet you're up. Up is D, okay? Where you start strumming. I bet you're up there right now. Then you, after now, you do A. Making plans and writing out all is B minor. All your favorite places that you can. Okay, so on just that you just can't wait to take us. Just can't wait to take us, and we'll. After will you do D. We'll get to spend forever. Then after forever, but before talking, you do A. Forever, talking about whatever. When I get, okay, get is B minor. Get there, promise you'll track me down. Okay, down is G, down. Show me around. So you're gonna do around on D, and strum it for a little while, and then you're going to G. And I heard, and then you start palm muting again, okay? And I heard that there's no growing old. Okay, so then you're gonna repeat. This chord progression is the same for the second verse as it is for the first one, okay? So remember, for the intro, G, D, G, D. First verse, G, D, G, D, A, G, B minor, A, G, okay? Then for the chorus, you do dab G, all right? You're doing D, A, B minor, G, D, A, B minor, G, D, okay? Second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same, except that on the second and third choruses, at the end when you do, and show me around, so you're gonna keep playing through and do D, around, okay, A, all right, so you play D, A, B minor, G here. And then you go into the bridge. And I hate how much. Okay, so here you're gonna do a different chord progression. You're gonna do I hate how much that losing you hurts. Okay, so you do how much that losing is B minor, losing you hurts. Hurts is G. So you're doing A, B minor, G, okay? And you're gonna repeat that 3 times in the bridge. So you're gonna do, and I hope you know you left your mark. Okay, mark is B minor, mark on this world. All right, world is G. And I swear that I'd give, so I'd is A minor, I'd give anything, and I'd give anything. Thing is B minor, thing on this earth. Okay, earth is G, earth, to see your face. I would just do a single strum here, but you can keep doing that if you want. See your face, but for now I'll wait. So you do face is A, and I'll wait. Wait is G, okay? Wait, I bet you're up there. So at the beginning of the last chorus, they're actually palm muting it. And it's really soft. Then halfway through, I would stop palm muting it and I would play it. So after you do D, A, B minor, G, when you go to the second D, I would start, that's where I'd start doing, and we'll get, so on get, and we'll get, you do D, ever. That's where I would start doing it open, okay? And then you do, I heard you got a brand new place, is the way you end the song on just a single strum D, okay? So you play the whole thing, super easy. Let me know if you have any questions or anything in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.